Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Minnesota Timberwolves ang Chicago Bulls 135-119. Top performer si Anthony Edwards sa likod ng kanyang 33 points, 8 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 block. Nikola Vucevic 25 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng Milwaukee Bucks ang Utah Jazz 123-100. Top performer si Damian Lillard sa likod niya kanyang 34 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists at 4 steals. Jordan Clarkson 18 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists. Wagi naman ang San Antonio Spurs kontra sa Portland Trail Blazers 118-105. Top performer si Keldon Johnson sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 11 rebounds at 3 assists. DeAndre Ayton 21 points, 10 rebounds, 2 steals at 1 block. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of November 8, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 9 wins, 0 loss. Boston Celtics 7 wins, 2 losses. Indiana Pacers 4 wins, 4 losses. Brooklyn Nets 4 wins, 4 losses. Atlanta Hawks 4 wins, 5 losses. New York Knicks 3 wins, 4 losses. Miami Heat 3 wins, 4 losses. Charlotte Hornets 3 wins, 5 losses. Chicago Bulls 3 wins, 6 losses. Orlando Magic 3 wins, 6 losses. Detroit Pistons 3 wins, 6 losses. Washington Wizards 2 wins, 4 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 2 wins, 6 losses. Toronto Raptors 2 wins, 7 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 1 win, 6 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of November 8, 2024. Phoenix Suns 7 wins, 1 loss. Oklahoma City Thunder 7 wins, 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 7 wins, 1 loss. Houston Rockets 5 wins, 3 losses. Dallas Mavericks 5 wins, 3 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 5 wins, 3 losses. Sacramento Kings 5 wins, 3 losses. Denver Nuggets 5 wins, 3 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 5 wins, 4 losses. Los Angeles Lakers 4 wins, 4 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 4 wins, 4 losses. San Antonio Spurs 4 wins, 5 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 3 wins, 6 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 3 wins, 6 losses. Utah Jazz 1 win, 7 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 9, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Indiana Pacers at Charlotte Hornets alas 8 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Atlanta Hawks at Detroit Pistons alas 8 ng umaga. Magkaharap naman ang New Orleans Pelicans at Orlando Magic alas 8 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Brooklyn Nets at Boston Celtics alas 8:30 ng umaga. Maghaharap din ang Golden State Warriors at Cleveland Cavaliers alas 8:30 ng umaga. Magtutos naman ang Milwaukee Bucks at New York Knicks alas 8:30 ng umaga. Magtutos din ang Phoenix Suns at Dallas Mavericks alas 8:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Washington Wizards at Memphis Grizzlies alas 9 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Houston Rockets at Oklahoma City alas 9 ng umaga. Magtutuos naman ang Portland Trail Blazers at Minnesota Timberwolves alas 10 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Miami Heat at Denver Nuggets alas 10 ng umaga. Magsasalpukan naman ang Philadelphia 76ers at Los Angeles Lakers alas 11 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Los Angeles Clippers at Sacramento Kings alas 11 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.